Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Thunderbird email notification sound. If you're tired of the default alert or want something more personalized, this quick customization will help you set up a notification sound that truly stands out. First, open your Thunderbird application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon. It typically looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you'll access all the configuration options for your email client. After clicking Settings, you'll be taken to a new screen with various options displayed on the left side. Make sure you are currently on the General tab. This section contains the primary settings for customizing how Thunderbird operates, including notification preferences. If you're not already on General, simply click it to navigate there. Now scroll down through the general settings until you locate the section labeled Incoming Mails. This area controls how Thunderbird alerts you when new messages arrive in your inbox. It's an important section because it determines not just if you'll be notified, but how those notifications will sound and appear. Within the Incoming Mails section, you'll see an option that says Play a Sound. This is exactly what we need to modify. Underneath this option, you'll notice different choices for how the sound plays. Click on Use the following sound file. By selecting this, you're telling Thunderbird that instead of using its default notification sound, you want to specify your own custom audio file. Once you've selected Use the following sound file, a Browse button will appear right next to it. Click on Browse to open your computer's file explorer. This allows you to navigate through your folders and locate the specific sound file you want to use for notifications. Now comes the fun part. Navigate through your computer's directories to locate the notification sound you want to use. This could be any audio file you've downloaded or created, whether it's a song clip, a sound effect, or something unique. Once you've found the file, simply double-click it. This action selects the file and sets it as your new notification sound in Thunderbird. And that's it. Your Thunderbird email notification sound has now been changed to your custom selection. The next time you receive an email, you'll hear your personalized sound instead of the default alert. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.